أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم لولا إذ سمعتموه ظن المؤمنون والمؤمنات لولا إذ سمعتموه ظن المؤمنون والمؤمنات بأنفسهم خيرا وقالوا هذا إفك مبين لولا إذ سمعتموه ظن المؤمنون والمؤمنات بأنفسهم خيرا وقالوا هذا إفك مبين الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على من لا نبي بعده رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Dear audience, respected mothers, fathers, and other brothers, sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We have already studied the Surah An-Nur from Surah An-Nur, not say Surah An-Nur, because of this word An-Nur from Shamsiya. If it from Kamariya, so you can say Surah Al-Nur or Surah An-Nur. No, Surah An-Nur, because of this word from Shamsiya. So we wanted to should be you should use Washamsi, one Nur, like this. So we already studied the until 11th ayat. Now we are starting the 12th ayat from Surah An-Nur. So please listen the meaning. Lawla, why did not? Lawla, why did not? Id, when? Sami'tumuhu, when you heard of it. Who it? When you heard it. It the incident of Ifk. Okay. Lawla, why did not? Id sami'tumuhu, when you heard of it. Dhanna, the meaning of word. After I will say the ayat what we are focusing. Dhanna means think or thought. Al-mu'minuna, the believers. This word is for masculine. Mu'minun singular. Mu'minuna plural. Plural of masculine. Plural of masculine. Mu'minuna. Mu'minun jam'uhu mu'minuna. The believers. Wal mu'minatu, and wal mu'minatu, believers of woman. Believers of woman. Mu'minatun ismu fa'il. Mu'minun ismu fa'il. Ismu fa'il mudakkar. Masculine active participle. Mu'minun masculine active participle. Mu'minuna participles because of the plural of the mu'min. And this one feminine participle. Mu'minatun mu'minuna. Mu'minatun. So the believers of men and women. Bi anfusihim khayra. Well of their own folk. Well of their own folk. بأنفسهم خيرا وقالوا and why did not say they وقالوا and why did not say they did not say هذا this is ifkun kalamni the fabricated news mubin clearly. This is the manifest calumny. This is a manifest calumny. This is the meaning of what the we can say. When you heard of it, why did the believing men and women not think well of their own folk, and say, this is a manifest calumny. Okay, and fabricate news. This is indeed a fabricate news like this. This is the meaning. What the ayat focusing? This ayat focusing or addressing or indicating the importance of positive thinking and presumption of innocence within the Muslim community. It highlights the consequence of spreading faithless, false accusation and the importance of upholding a good reputation. The key point is we can the key point we can give you the in short presumption of innocence. The verse emphasizes that believers should think positively of one another and not readily believe false accusation. Condemnation of slander, spreading false rumors is strongly condemned, and those who do so are warned of severe consequences. Upholding reputation, the verses encourages Muslims to protect the reputation of their fellow believers and to avoid action that could harm their character. Overall, we can say this verse serves as a reminder of the importance of maintaining a positive and respectful attitude towards others within the Muslim community and the serious consequence of spreading false accusation. Okay, now we can go this what we can say the tajweed. Lawla, you can see the word lawla. You should lawla. I don't know what is the problem. Lawla. Here on the lam you can see when you are writing a the alphabet of lam, after that you put a alif on it, so it will come like this. So we can say lawla, this alif. So on this alif you can see a mad. This is we can call mad. Why this mad coming? Because of this alif, or we can say hamzatul qatr. There is Hamzatul Qatl wa Hamzatul Wasl. Hamzatul Qatl, what is the meaning of Hamzatul Wasl? Hamzatul Qatl. Qatl means cutting. So, lawla, when you lawla, after that you should bring the sound of out the alif, the hamza, sound of hamza. Here the sound of hamza e. Sometimes it will come a. Kul huwallahu ahad. Kul huwallahu ahad. So there is, you can say ahad. This is also hamzatul qatl. Sometimes also you can see u. In the Surah Al Imran, the last Al Imran last ayat, you can see there is a one word unzila. Wama unzila ilaykum. So there is u. So you wanted to bring the sound when the word is hamzatul qatl, we wanted to clearly wanted to sound that word sound. Like this here, id, e. Sometimes a, sometimes u. Like I told you the example. Okay, id sami'tumuhu. Okay, there is waw also we can. Okay, this so this, because of this hamza, this mad is coming. So we can call this mad is mad munfasil. Mad munfasil, we should 2 times, 4 times, 5 times we can fold our fingers. At that time length the ayat. Lawla, like this. So we can call this mad munfasil because of this mad depending this hamzatul qatl. Why? Because of this mad coming because of this. Therefore, and this mad not alone with this word. When we are writing la, there is no mad coming. But in the Quran, after that, like this hams or this hamzatul, this with the alif and this the sign, then this coming. Therefore, we are calling it mad munfasil. Mad munfasil hukumuhu jais. Hukumuhu jais. We wanted to fold our kasr 2 times, and wasat and 4 times or 5 times, like this. Tool should be 6 times. So there is no tool, only 2 or 4, 5, like this. Okay. Sami'tumuhu. This mad tabi'i, natural mad. 2 times we wanted to lend our finger. Wanna, you can see wanna on the noon there is a shad, so mushaddada. We wanted to reciting this word by raga, melody, reciting wanna. After that we will go where wannal. We don't want it to read this alif. Because of this alif, you can see there is a head of swad. So this meaning, it is indicating that this alif is hamzatul wasl. Hamzatul wasl means linking or flow, or we can say progression. Also we can say progression, like this. And when you are reading like this continually, wannal mu'minuna, like this. Okay, also this mad also 2 times, mad tabi'i. Wal mu'minatu, there is a small alif. We want it to mu'minatu, this because of this jam or plural, the word of mu'mina. Bi anfusihim, there is a noon but there is no sukun. So we wanted to understand this is the ikhfa, because of ikhfa has 15 letters, 15 alphabet. One alphabet is letter is fa. So we are covering the sukun of noon, and we are reading it by our with our nose by raga. We covering the sukoon and we reciting this ayat by raga, by our nose. Be we should be clearly ikhfa and ikhfa shafawi and iqlab. We wanted to should be understand, and we should be clearly we wanted to read. You should be read here bi anfusihim by your with your nose, bi anfusihim, like this. So we call it ikhfa. Okay. And this meme is mudhara. There is, I told, I am always I am telling you, there is 24 memes like this, sukun coming. So here, after here, kha, this one 24 alphabet is among one letter is this one. So we want it by our tongue, by our lips, we wanted to show it. It means sound will come out. بأنفسهم خيرا. There is two tanween. This fathatu tanween. So we are here one sukun, one fathat will go out. We are hiding one fathat, and we not giving on the waw. We are not giving the fathat, one fathat on the waw. When we are giving waw should be shad, but waw not getting shad because of one fathat we are deleting, and we are reciting khayram wa like this. We should not we don't want to bring shad on it. The dhahabul dhat wa ibqa sifat in Arabic kalam like this, because of the original is going and fathat one is going, and we wanted to recite this ayat by raga like this. So here we can call idgham nakis because of this harf is going and there is no sukun. So we and we are giving the sifat of raga, so we are calling it idgham nakis. Okay. Waqalu, this alif is among 7 alifs, so we don't want to read this one. Waqalu, we are giving this to time folding in our finger. Waqalu hada ifkum mubin. Okay. Here hada, when you are writing hada, there is no the one, this mad not coming. Now here in the Quran coming this mad because of this. I already told you this mad is hamsatul qatr. This was hamsatul qatr. Because of this hamsatul qatr, this mad coming. So we are calling it mad munfasil. Mad munfasil, I told you mad munfasil 2 times, 4 times, 5 times, like this. So hada, so we are calling this mad munfasil. If kum mubin, there is 2 lammat, you can see 2 lammat. So from here 1 lam we are taking and we are giving on the meme. So meme will getting shad. If you write meme alone, meme not getting shad, you giving 1 tanween here. 1 tanween means this 1 lammat giving on meme. Therefore meme getting shad. So we are reading it by raga, by melody. If kummubin, so we are calling it idgham bihunna kamil. Idgham bihunna kamil. And mubin, here Arabic language, Arabs stopping any words on sukun, but here lam. So, but this ayat here, lasting, ending. So, here we can call it mad arilu lisukun because of the waqf, because of stopping. We are stopping this ayat. So, we are calling here mad arilu lisukun. Inshallah, which I told you, I will wrote there. Inshallah, please write your comments and as you like. If you wanted to study, you can study. Thanks to watching for this video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.